Hello, my name is Josh Chai. I'm the founder and CEO of Softchef. Softchef is a software company focused on B2B, Internet of Things, cloud applications. We build software as a service to support different sizes of business or industries looking for transformation, like smart building, smart residential, or smart energy control. We build, design, and operate our software as a service on the cloud. So we require very stable connections from internet as well as for intranet wired and wireless environment. That's very important for us. So we decided to install Nebula at different office locations so we can manage every location at one single dashboard, make our life very easy. Once in a while, we also build something in our intranet environment. Our partners at multiple locations around the world, as well as our branch offices, connecting to the headquarters through the VPN connections. It's been very useful for us. Right now, our office has grown to 25 people, and most of the time, we can connect it up to 60 different devices on the network. Nebula is exactly what we needed, comparing to the way more complicated enterprise product, and very time-consuming to set it up, and most of the time, the whole system is very complicated. Comparing to the home product, the stability is really big concern for us. The coverage also very limited, and the performance is unstable all the time. It's been 6 months now since we're using Nebula. The performance is great, it's very stable, and we're moving to bigger office space this year. I will still be sticking with Zyxel Nebula. If you're about same size like us, about 30 people, and require very stable connections, especially if you don't like poor performance, or you require some sort of network management capability, I strongly recommend you choose Nebula.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.